Go ahead, get inside. I'm Catalano, and I have your VIP pass. We're still here at Dos Palmas Very Island Resort. We're here to recharge dahil bawal malobat, lalo na sa top story natin. Back-to-back opening of the biggest in collegiate sports, the NCAA and the UAAP. The classes have begun and varsity fever is on. At sinong player as in VIP player, NBA player, ang nakita natin? Clue, he's known as Agent Zero and he's also considered as the first blog superstar dahil sa kanyang witty insights and weekly blogs sa NBA.com. The NCAA, the UAAP, and Wizards point guard, Gilbert Arenas. Dito pa lang matcha-challenge ng energy natin. Let's go! Back here on VIP Pass, it's time to raise the volume and turn the musical energy up. 2-in-1 treat din ang back-to-back concert ng dalawang banda that gave an energy boost to the sound of the 60s, the Letterman and Spiral Staircase. Sino sa dalawang grupong ito ang nabuo dahil magkakasama sila sa Air Force? Let's find out. Back here on VIP Pass. Now, anong klaseng energy ang mahirap tapatan? The kind of energy that comes from girl power. And the next back-to-back girly events that we have are, well, for us girls, literally. First up, ang Fans Day ng favorite show ng mga girls, Us Girls. And next, yung mga girls na pasok sa Preview Magazine's Best Dress for 2008. Last year, ang pasok dito sina Lucy Torres Gomez, Sherry Hill, Karen Davila, and Ann Curtis. This year naman, one of the Us Girls hosts ang pasok dito. And take note, she is one of only 2 showbiz celebrities na nakapasok sa top 10. Who is she? Let's find out. You're still watching VIP Pass. Now save your best energy for last. Pass holders, are you ready to go set hopping? Isa-isa natin pupuntahan ang mga behind the scenes ng pinaka-latest na Kapamilya shows. The sets, the props, the stars, the rehearsals, lahat-lahat na. Primetime energy nandito lang sa VIP Pass. Another energetic week of parties, events, and gimmicks. Skip the lines. Go ahead, get inside. I'm Catalano, and together let's flash our VIP Pass.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Salamat, guys. Thank you.
Ito naman siya. On behalf of Dos Palmas Island Resort and Spa, we would like to wish you happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very cheesecake.